Hey guys, so while I'm here in sunny Wales, I figured I'd show you the Givi rack system. A few people have asked how quick does it go on and off the bike. It is pretty quick, so I just thought I'd make a quick video. I've already done the pre-install of the hardware, which are 5 fittings effectively. There's one there on the bike, one here, and then there's a plate bracket that goes in on the just between the footrest bracket, so not too many brackets, quite simple really. And then the top box attachment, that's the same thing, it's a seat off and a couple of bolts. So I'm just going to go through fitting the boxes, including the rack, so you can see how clean the bike is without them on, so it's really nice. What you get from Givi is a security key to lock the hardware on the bike. So let's get started and see what an easy job it is. So it's the side frames first, it's 2 side frames and then a bar that goes between the two, so you can see those. So it's quite simple. I usually line it up, put the side fitting on first, and then it's the 2 bolts underneath the seat. The hardest bit is actually landing the security key up. And it's like a dome head on the bolt that goes in. And that's one side, really solid as well when it's on. There's no slack, so same again. Put the side fitting in first. Seems to be the easiest way it works for me. And again, 2 under the seat. Fix it in, solid. There's red markers on each side as well, so when you put the pannier boxes on, they turn to green when they're in properly, so that's a nice little feature. And finally there's just a bar that goes between the back. It is carded because the box on the right sits further out because of the exhaust, so it will go both ways. Obviously just put it on the right way. And that's it for the rack system, so pretty quick and easy there. So the right hand side pannier, this is smaller of the boxes because it sticks out already obviously, so it just sits on the bottom on a couple of pegs and just push it in, clicks, 2 markers turn to green, that's on solid. Same for the big box, sit it on the pins, click it in, going nowhere. The top box is very similar, 2 pins again, the hardest part of the job really. So in the pins, click down, brilliant system, great when it's on the bike. It is a little bit wider than handlebar grip width, so you need to be careful filtering, but when it comes off the bike, it's brilliant. You just don't know you've got a pannier system at all. So that's pretty much it guys, so I hope you like that. If you're needing some panniers, highly recommended. They've had some abuse. I've not bent them yet. I've only been down a couple of times, but it was on sort of grass. So, but yeah, they're standing up okay. No problems with water ingress, anything like that at the minute. No deep water. I've gone through some, but not really deep enough to affect the panniers. So that's it. Catch you next time. Cheers guys.